Buongiorno, I'm Francesco Zanchi, an official authorized tour guide in Venice and member of the Best Venice Guides. Today, I'm going to tell you about a dominant feature in the Venetian landscape, the Church of the Madonna della Salute, whose immense dome appears in numerous photos and paintings, just like the one behind me, by an interesting Austrian artist, Michael Odrozil. This impressive structure was commissioned in thanksgiving to the Virgin, the bringer of health, after the terrible plague of 1630, and was designed by Baldassare Longhena, who wanted to create something unusual, different, using his words, something never seen before, in the shape of a round machine, a virgin work. The interior of the church stands out for its proportion and balance. And from the entrance, the columns and the arch framing the main altar lie in the field of vision. And this altar is embellished by large Baroque statues. The one on the right, an old hag, is the famous representation of the fleeing plague. At the center, the image of the Virgin, highly venerated as Venetian. Imagine that every November 21st, we bring a candle, keeping alive a popular tradition that is among the most heartfelt. The church, however, reserves many other surprises. Come and discover them with one of the best Venice guides.